I'm going to be using this semicircular or D-shaped container to measure the refractive index of a liquid. I'm actually using water in this case, but any clear liquid will work. So the first thing I have done is I've measured the distance between the two edges, and I've taken a mark at the center there, which is just used for my reference for the center of the cell. I now need to mark on this piece of masking tape a center point, a line. So I'm trying to make this as quick as possible, and I'm going to be a bit rough and ready with this. But there's my line, and I now take this D cell, trying to line up that line with the mark I've already made on the D cell. So that it should now correspond to the center of the unit. I'm using a protractor on a tripod just to give me a decent zero, and try and correspond the back of the plate with the zero line and the center position there. Now if I zoom in and pour in my liquid, you can see through the liquid that line. Now if I rotate this tripod, there suddenly becomes an angle at which that line disappears, which is about there. And if I were to mark the outer edge of the protractor, this is going to be a bit rough and ready because I can't really get into there with the camera in the way. That's my first angle there. I could use this on just an ordinary piece of card or whatever, but I'm using the protractor because it should make life easier for measuring the angle when it comes to doing a calculation. So again, just spinning it round, and there suddenly becomes a point where it disappears. Bring it back in, and it's about there. So again, marking that, again it's rough and ready here because I'm having difficulty focusing through the camera, and that's the angle here. So if I now take this off, you can see I have the two marks, and it's approximately that angle there is the angle I would need to measure. This could probably be better done either on a table or on a piece of card where you're looking more directly at the marks that you're putting on. This is done very rough and ready. Now this angle here is twice the critical angle. So you want half this angle, so you measure this angle, then halve it, and that becomes your critical angle. And the sine of that critical angle is 1 over the refractive index for the liquid.